In today's economy, it's more critical than ever to have a good credit score. But millions of consumers simply don't and often find themselves asking, how can I repair my credit score? In order to repair your credit score, you first need to repair your credit report. The items listed on your credit report and their status is what makes up your credit score. Repair my credit score, step 1. Stop doing the things that are causing your score to be low. Making late payments or skipping payments are some of the worst things that you can do to your score. Just one late payment could drop your score by over 100 points, which would take a long time to repair. Maxing out credit cards is another bad habit that will trash your credit score, even if you pay off your balance at the end of the billing cycle. You never know when your creditor is going to report to the credit bureaus. If an account shows your balance to be 100% of your available credit limit, the credit scoring formula will automatically generate a lower credit score. And once that low score has been assigned, it can take a long time to repair it. Repair my credit score, step 2. Use credit, but do so responsibly. Make affordable purchases with your credit card and pay down the balance each month. Do everything you can to keep your balance below 30% of your available credit limit. Get your balance down to 10% and you will see greater improvements. Doing this demonstrates discipline and control, and the credit scoring formula will reward you with a higher credit score. Repair my credit score, step 3. Keep accounts open and active while working on improving your credit. Each account has a history, which represents 35% of your score. You should also focus on using the older credit cards, as length of credit history makes up 15% of your score. Don't let your creditor close your account due to inactivity. An account listed as closed by credit grantor lowers your credit score and gives you more damage to repair. Repair my credit score, step 4. Have a healthy mix of different types of credit. Have at least one installment and 2 revolving accounts. Once you have those, be careful about applying for new credit. Too much available credit is also seen as risky behavior by potential lenders. Plus, if you wait until after you have raised your credit score to apply for new loans, you'll qualify for better rates, which will save you lots of money in the long run. Repair my credit score, step 5. Keep an eye on your credit reports. Make sure all of the positive behaviors are being reported and that everything on your report is accurate. But don't be surprised if you find mistakes. They are quite common. Repair my credit score, step 6. Fix mistakes. If you come across mistakes or inaccuracies, you need to notify the bureaus in writing and request their correction. Disputing errors can be a tedious and frustrating process, but a necessary one if you want to repair your credit report and raise your credit scores. Thank you for watching, and good luck.